Hello viewers and traders, it's Imran Beg. Welcome back to our channel, and today we're doing the recap of March 11 to 15, and let's see what we did on March 11 to 15. So that's for the Nasdaq only, and we trade on the Nasdaq entire market, but we did main is the Nasdaq, so we try to trade every day. So let's go and see what's going on in the live market. So live market, we made a couple trades, and I will show you what trade we did on Monday, which is 11th of March. And so let's go and see was the first trade come out. So on the first trade, we buy it on 118,163, and we close 170, which is right there. We close right away because of market situation was not very good. Let me bring it up a little bit so you can see that. So we buy it, and what happened, next candle came down and tried to break this area. So we was little conscious, and then market eventually go to the buy. That was my target, 285, 18,285 was my target, and we start first trade, and within a couple minutes when market get little bit volatile, and what we did, we just closed that trade. When market came up here, we closed that trade and we exited out with a 6 points. So we gained the 6 point, and then second trade I give them a 210, which is almost here, because that was like uncertainty and market moved very fast. We pick up second trade around 10:32, and we made 15 points, sorry, and exited out at 225. So that was my exit, and we pick up from there that trade, and let's see where we exited out. So market came down right away, we hold the trade, and eventually market hit this area and we exited out. Within like in couple minutes, 10:32, I give this trade. In 2 minutes, I exit it out with 15 points. So another 15 point we gain, and then we give them a third trade, which is another buy, was 216, which is almost this area. So let's see market what it does. Market came down, and we buy it from here when market came down, and then market went against us. We hold our trade because I was confident market gonna go and hit my target, and eventually what happened, this candle went pop up and we close 18,240. So third trade I closed with the 18,240 with 24 points, and then finally there was another trade which I sell it, and I will show you from where we sell it. So that we sell from the 190 when market was the market supposed to go there, but it was a really volatile market, so not really clear. So what we did, we tried to stay away from the market, and what we did, finally around 11:20, 11:25, we put another sale trade, and market came down and hit my this target. So that was my sale from there around 11:20, 11:20, and market hit my this target again. 11:31 we closed that trade. So 11:31 we closed that trade. So that was another 18 point. That was on a live market for my clients who joined my webinars, and market eventually, I will show you, market eventually we hit my target, but was a volatile, so we just take advantage from here to there, there to come back, and then we take 4 trades, and altogether was a 63 points. And if you are in a standard lot, 63 point means $1,260, and if you are in a half lot will be $630, and if you are in a single lot means zero lot, if you have a very small account size, then you can make $63 or 120, what is it, 6 and 120, $626. So something like this you can make, depend on your account size. So let me show you some other days also. That is the March 11th, and let me show you the March 12th. Alright guys, so let's check what it does on March 12th, which is Tuesday. and we pick up our trade. And but I forget to mention you. Let me show you. That was my targets, and eventually market hit my target. My target was 18,285. So eventually market hit my target, but we leave that trade that day, because if you make money, get out of the market and stay away from the market. So it's better just stay away when you make profit. All right, so March 12, which is Tuesday, and let's see what our trade did. 10 o'clock, we start our webinar, live webinars, and that was my entry, 410. I give entry, and right away market hit 420, 345. So my entry was 320, my entry was 325, and my exit was 345. So my entry was 325 here, and we did exit it out, and because market is too volatile that time, and we just exited out, and after that market went really in our favor, but we did not get a trade because there was no clear direction. Market was so volatile. Market went up again, came down, further down, then really aggressively market went up. So we did sell one more time up here, and we did sale, and that was my exit, because no clear confirmation was coming out. So we sell it 410 and we exit it out with 10 points only, and market hit my 400, and we are out, because you look at that, market went right away. So we just exited out with 10 points. So altogether we gain on Tuesday 20 point plus 10 points is equal to 30 points into 20. Standard lot is $600. A small account, half lot is $300. Or if you go further down, then you can calculate 30, 60, 90, depend on your account size. Okay. So that is my 2 days trades, Monday and Friday. Rest other videos I will make it, but that is like finally we closed that day, and because market was too volatile, that was the move unnecessary went up. So normally what we do when we don't understand market is very clear, then we stay away out from the market. So whereas market is not clear, stay out of the market. Not necessarily every day you have to make money or you have to trade. So that is my advice for you guys. And you see my 2 days trade, and one day was 63 point, and second day was 30 points. And following days I gonna make another videos, and because videos go too long, so we don't wanna go for that long. So okay guys, see you on other webinar, other if you want to join us, you can contact us, iSharp Traders. We do everyday live trade Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. And by the way, this trade, in fact, yesterday, the 11th March, I closed the trade on 11:30, and today I close also around like 12. Sometimes we stuck, sometimes we stay late, but normally within 1 hour, 2 hours, we close our trades, get profit, and exit it out. Okay, guys, if you wanna contact us, there's a end of this video, you will get my all information. This is Imran Beg, iSharp Traders. There's a live videos on YouTube. You can go and subscribe, and plus press the bell icon so you can get all my videos. And most probably I'm gonna send a couple very important videos today and tomorrow. That is about stock. We don't do the stock market, but still people is insisting that we should predict for them. So I will show you the Tesla or Nvidia or crypto also. Let's see. Okay. Take care, guys. Bye now. This is Imran Beg, iSharp Traders.